Hi, I'm Leo from the Supersport Shed. This is Mission Impossible 1. Most of you will have seen it. Kerry built it in 17 days. This year we also bought another engine for it, which is a 1300cc engine. We took it to Cadwell Park and we had a few issues. We had a clutch slip and we had an oil leak. So our lovely new employee James put this engine back in it, and on this glorious Friday in November we're going to take it for a ride. Hopefully we're going to have a bit of fun.
Right. If I drop it, I'll call you.
And if you drop it, you drop it.
If I drop it, my wife's going to murder me, then you.
Pardon?
If I drop it, my wife's going to murder me, and then you.
Yeah.
was good fun.
How was your first ride on a CBX, James?
It was eventful. I mean, I don't really ride anything like this. I've never ridden anything this old, but it's got some punch. It'll be interesting to take this to the track and see how it fares there under my useless rain. But no, it's good fun. I like it.
Awesome. It's great that you got out this season as well.
Yes, yeah. With the weather forecast looking what it is next week, I think it's probably the only time this year, or this side of 24, that I'm actually going to be able to be on one of these. So, Q1 next year, I guess.